Ever wondered how you could drastically improve your breathing in just seconds a day? Imagine a device that can drastically improve your breathing in just a few seconds a day, clearing mucus and enhancing lung capacity without needing any batteries or electricity. This small, handheld gadget is revolutionizing the way we approach respiratory health, making it easier for individuals with conditions like asthma, COPD, and bronchitis to breathe freely again. It's internationally acclaimed and recommended by doctors for its effectiveness. Stay tuned until the end of this video to discover this groundbreaking device and how it can benefit you. Don't miss out. Watch until the end to reveal the mystery gadget. Transform your core strength with the innovative Vital Flex Core, a breakthrough fitness tool that targets and enhances core muscles like never before. This device is designed to not only sculpt your midsection but also to improve overall balance, posture, and back health, making it an essential addition to your fitness routine. The Vital Flex Core stands out in the crowded fitness market due to its precision-targeted approach. Unlike generic workout machines, it focuses on key muscle groups with unparalleled accuracy, providing a comprehensive core workout that delivers noticeable and lasting results. Each movement is meticulously crafted to ensure maximum effectiveness, helping you build a stronger, more resilient core that benefits your entire body. Crafted with advanced technology, the Vital Flex Core uses electrical muscle stimulation to contract and relax your abdominal muscles. This sophisticated technology enhances muscle tone, firmness, and strength, offering a workout that rivals traditional exercises in efficiency. The device is cordless and features adjustable intensity levels, making it user-friendly and adaptable to various fitness levels. With its sleek design and cutting-edge technology, the Vital Flex Core promises to elevate your fitness journey. The device's EMS technology, initially designed for military applications, provides 6 workout modes and 10 intensity levels, allowing for a tailored and challenging workout experience. The LED display ensures easy operation, guiding you through different modes and intensities to suit your fitness goals. Using the Vital Flex Core is straightforward. Simply place the device on your desired muscle group, power it on, and select your preferred mode and intensity. Consistent use will help you achieve optimal results, enhancing muscle tone and overall fitness without the need for time-consuming, repetitive exercises. The Synoshi cordless rotating cleaning brush is a game-changer in home cleaning, designed for convenience and efficiency. Weighing only 400 grams and measuring 11.5 by 18 centimeters, this lightweight device features a rechargeable 1200 mAh lithium battery that provides 45 minutes of runtime per charge. Synoshi's environmentally friendly design avoids harsh abrasives and line scale removers, making it a safer choice for both home and environment. Its versatility makes it suitable for various cleaning tasks across different rooms. In the bathroom, it effortlessly cleans tiles, shower stalls, bathtubs, wash basins, and toilets, reaching hard-to-reach corners to remove line scale and dirt. In the kitchen, it tackles countertops, hobs, sinks, and tiles, removing stubborn grease, food residues, line scale, and discoloration. For the living room, it effectively handles upholstered furniture, carpets, floors, and glass tables, removing stains and dirt without causing damage. In children's rooms, it ensures a hygienic environment by cleaning toys, furniture, and floors, removing dirt and stains. Synoshi is also ideal for garage and outdoor tasks, cleaning vehicles, garden tools, furniture, awnings, and outdoor play equipment with ease. It is excellent for household appliances, enhancing their efficiency and longevity by removing dirt and debris. In offices, it cleans desks, monitors, keyboards, and other equipment, reducing allergens and improving the work environment. It's perfect for fitness equipment, ensuring hygiene in gyms and at home by cleaning treadmills, weight benches, and exercise mats. For swimming pools and spas, it cleans tiles, whirlpools, sauna benches, and steam room walls, removing line scale, mold, and algae for a clean, hygienic environment. It's also suitable for boats, motorhomes, and caravans, cleaning without damaging surfaces and ideal for pet care, cleaning accessories, hair, dirt, and bacteria, contributing to pet hygiene and health. Synoshi is waterproof, allowing use in running water but not fully submerged, and offers different brush heads for various cleaning needs. It features easy operation. Simply charge the device, attach the appropriate brush head, and start cleaning. For maintenance, store Synoshi and its attachments in a dry, well-ventilated place, avoiding direct sunlight and extreme temperatures. Regularly check and replace worn or damaged brushes and attachments, and clean the water tank and connections to ensure hygiene and effective cleaning. The Synoshi cordless cleaning brush is a versatile, efficient, and user-friendly cleaning solution, making it an indispensable tool for maintaining a spotless home. Despite minor drawbacks like noise and brush head removal difficulties, its performance and affordability make it a smart investment for any household. Upgrade your cleaning routine with the Synoshi Spin Power Scrubber and experience the difference it can make in your home. Introducing the Light Bulb Camera, a smart security device that combines Ultra HD video quality with the simplicity of a light bulb. This innovative camera offers a range of features designed to keep your home safe and secure. With its easy installation, all you need to do is screw it into any standard light bulb socket, download the IPC 360 Home app, and follow the setup instructions. No drilling or wiring required. The Light Bulb Camera provides a live HD video feed directly to your mobile phone, allowing you to monitor your home or office anytime, anywhere. Its remote control capabilities enable you to adjust the viewing angle and zoom in on specific areas through the mobile app. The camera's 355 degrees horizontal and 90 degrees vertical rotation ensures comprehensive coverage without blind spots. Equipped with advanced infrared night vision, the Light Bulb Camera delivers clear video even in complete darkness. It features a built-in microphone and speaker, facilitating real-time two-way communication with visitors or intruders. The motion detection sensors send instant alerts to your phone when unusual movement is detected, while the motion tracking function automatically follows moving objects. This camera supports both TF memory card storage up to 128 GB and encrypted cloud storage, providing flexible options for video playback and downloads. It is compatible with 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi and integrates seamlessly with Google and Alexa smart systems for added convenience. The Light Bulb Camera's robust design includes IP66 weatherproofing, making it suitable for outdoor use in various weather conditions. Its dual-lens system and 10x digital zoom offer superior image quality and detail, enhancing your security coverage. The Light Bulb Camera is a cost-effective solution for home security. Its user-friendly app interface allows for easy control and monitoring, making it accessible for users of all experience levels. Upgrade your home security effortlessly with the Light Bulb Camera, combining cutting-edge technology with simple installation to keep your property safe and secure. The Photo Stick Omni revolutionizes how you back up and organize your photos and videos. This easy-to-use device scans and stores your digital memories with a single click, eliminating the need for complicated software or manual sorting. It supports various storage capacities, ranging from 32 GB to 256 GB, ensuring you have ample space to save up to 120,000 photos and videos. This innovative gadget automatically detects and backs up your files, saving you time and effort. Compatible with Windows, Mac, Android, and iOS, the Photo Stick Omni works with almost any device, making it a versatile tool for anyone. Its adapter supports USB, micro USB, Type-C, and Lightning ports, ensuring seamless connectivity across different platforms. To use, simply plug the Photo Stick Omni into your device, click the green Go button, and let it scan and store your files. The built-in software automatically identifies and organizes photos and videos while removing duplicates to optimize storage space. This process typically takes just a few minutes, offering a quick and efficient solution for preserving your digital memories. With its durable build and compact size, the Photo Stick Omni is designed for portability and convenience. It's perfect for safeguarding your memories at home or on the go. Additionally, it operates independently without requiring an internet connection or monthly subscriptions, providing a secure and cost-effective backup solution. Ideal for both tech-savvy individuals and beginners, the Photo Stick Omni simplifies data management, ensuring your cherished memories are always safe and accessible. Whether you're looking to free up space on your devices or protect against data loss, this gadget offers a reliable and user-friendly option for all your backup needs. This Ultra HD camera provides motion detection, two-way communication, and fits any standard light bulb socket for easy installation. With a 360 degrees rotating base and infrared night vision, it ensures complete coverage and peace of mind. Stay tuned for more innovative gadgets to simplify your life. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment below to stay updated on the latest tech reviews and recommendations. Let us know which gadgets you'd like us to review next. Introducing the Sonic Glow Brush, the world's first fully automatic toothbrush that cleans all your teeth simultaneously in just 30 seconds. This innovative device, backed by cutting-edge technology and patented design, ensures a comprehensive clean with a simple press of a button. The Sonic Glow Brush is engineered to make your dental hygiene routine faster, easier, and more effective. Research by the German Dental Association has shown that electric toothbrushes significantly improve oral health, reducing gum bleeding and decay while promoting healthier gums and whiter teeth. Inspired by these findings, the Sonic Brush research team developed this groundbreaking toothbrush over 2 years, culminating in a device that wraps each tooth for a deeper clean and healthier gums. The Sonic Glow Brush uses thousands of gentle vibrations to de-germ and cleanse your mouth, removing up to 100% more plaque than manual brushing. Its silicone bristles, set at a 45-degree angle, simulate the base technique recommended by dental experts. The brush also offers a gum massage feature that enhances blood circulation, supporting strong teeth and overall well-being. Additionally, the Sonic Glow Brush employs cold light technology for teeth whitening, achieving results comparable to professional treatments within 1 to 2 months. Using the Sonic Glow Brush is straightforward. Apply toothpaste to the mouthpiece, position it between your teeth, and press the button. The device handles the rest, ensuring your teeth are clean and bright. Its lightweight and portable design make it perfect for travel, with a battery life that lasts up to 30 uses. The Sonic Glow Brush is designed to enhance your dental routine with its efficient cleaning, gum massaging, and teeth whitening capabilities. Its state-of-the-art technology ensures thorough cleaning and superior oral health, making it an essential tool for anyone looking to improve their dental hygiene. Experience the thrill of aerial photography with the Black Falcon 4K drone, a top-tier quadcopter designed for hobbyists and professionals alike. Known for its quality and reliability, the Drone Clone Expert's Falcon 4K Drone Pro Extreme upgrade offers stunning 4K video and photo capabilities. This advanced drone features a user-friendly design and a 4K Ultra HD wide-angle camera with a 120 degrees adjustable angle, allowing you to capture breathtaking views from above with ease. The Black Falcon 4K drone stands out with its 3 included batteries, providing up to 45 minutes of total flight time. It comes equipped with an upgraded charging cable that includes overvoltage protection to prevent charging accidents. The drone also features 4 protective propeller guards to ensure safe flights. When the battery is low, the quadcopter's lights flash to give you ample notice to land. Designed for convenience, the Black Falcon drone is foldable and comes with a carrying case, making it easy to transport and store. It includes a remote controller with a built-in LCD screen that displays the drone status and battery level, as well as a phone holder for live view monitoring via a free app. This drone is packed with advanced features, such as multiple flight modes, 360-degree flips, gesture control, and trajectory flight. You can set exact flying routes on the app, and the drone will follow the path. Show a V or palm gesture to let the camera take pictures or videos without using the remote. The Black Falcon 4K drone's high-quality camera records 4K videos at 30 frames per second and takes 12-megapixel photos. The wide-angle lens captures a broader field of view, and Wi-Fi transmission allows you to stream videos and photos to your smartphone in real time. This drone is also perfect for travel due to its lightweight design, weighing less than 250 grams and exempt from FAA registration. With its easy-to-use controls and stable flight capabilities, the Black Falcon 4K drone is ideal for beginners and experts alike. It includes features such as altitude hold, headless mode, one-key takeoff/landing, and emergency stop, ensuring smooth and hassle-free flying experiences. The drone also boasts smart functions like automatic tracking, path setting, and gesture-activated photos and videos. For those seeking a reliable, high-performance drone with exceptional camera quality and user-friendly features, the Black Falcon 4K drone is a top choice. Avoid cheap knockoffs and get the genuine Drone Clone Expert's Falcon 4K Drone Pro Extreme upgrade directly from the official seller. Enjoy the ultimate flying experience with a 2-year quality warranty and a 30-day money-back guarantee. As promised at the beginning of this video, we introduce you to Physio, a handheld respiratory device designed to enhance lung productivity using oscillating positive expiratory pressure therapy. This innovative device is particularly beneficial for individuals with chronic lung conditions such as asthma, COPD, bronchitis, and cystic fibrosis. It helps clear mucus from the airways, improves breathing, and maintains lung capacity without the need for batteries or electricity, making it portable and convenient. The device works by creating resistance and vibrations as you exhale through it, effectively dislodging mucus from your airways. After several breaths, you perform a huff-cough to expel the mucus from your lungs. This natural process not only clears mucus but also helps maintain proper lung hygiene, preventing infections and enhancing medication effectiveness. Research supports the benefits of OPEP therapy, showing improvements in mucus clearance and respiratory function, especially for those with pulmonary diseases. While its effectiveness in healthy individuals is still under study, many users report significant improvements in their breathing and overall lung health. Air Physio is an internationally acclaimed device, recommended by doctors and pulmonologists for treating various respiratory conditions. It can help open and expand airways, promoting easier breathing and better lung hygiene. The device is user-friendly and suitable for people of all ages, making it a valuable tool for anyone looking to improve their respiratory health. With Air Physio, you can enhance your lung capacity, clear mucus, and potentially reduce the risk of lung infections. Its effectiveness and ease of use have made it a popular choice in over 106 countries. Whether you have a lung condition or simply want to improve your breathing, Air Physio offers a reliable and natural solution to support your respiratory health. Hey everyone, thanks for sticking around for this video. If you found this helpful or entertaining, subscribing to the channel is a fantastic way to stay in the loop. I'm constantly creating new content, and I'd love for you to be a part of the community. Stay tuned for our next video, where we'll dive into a gadget considered to be the world's first ChatGPT-powered AI audio doc that promises to transform the way we handle meetings and calls that is sure to impress. See you soon!